Hello. I'm doing good. What about?
I'm doing good. What's your name?
My name's BB. What about you?
My name Caleb.
Hey, Caleb.
I like that little accent you got.
Thank you a lot. Are you streaming right now?
No, I don't
The
stream.
room looks like somebody who was stream like going on those type of sites, trolling people.
You got me.
Where you from?
I'm from Bulgaria. I'm half British, half Bulgarian.
I don't know what that is, but I like that shit.
Ooh, YALL.
Type shit.
You've heard of Bulgaria before?
Nah, I ain't been out of the United States before, baby. I ain't gonna lie to you.
It's a state. It's a state in the US.
Huh?
What state you say?
Bulgaria.
That ain't no damn United States, you capping.
I'm just trolling.
I'm not laughing.
Nah, it's in Eastern Europe.
Type shit. You should give me your Instagram though.
I should.
In the spot, I came with the fellas.
First of all, rate my nails.
Nah, that motherfucker's fire. Is that the Joker?
Is that Playboy card? That's Playboy card.
Oh damn.
Just give me my money.
Ooh.
You got it.
Yeah.
I'm just doing karaoke, so if you don't want to hear singing.
Before you get started, I wanna crack your shit to that song right there.
Always thinking about what he wants and justice for his broke ass song. No, I don't want
that.
No, I don't want to lead you nowhere. No, I don't want to lead you
This
nowhere.
feels so directed. Damn. That face ain't it.
Well, hook to you too. The ugly guy? Bitch, why is that your name?
It's a trap.
How old y'all is?
She's 18, I'm 19.
Type shit. Where y'all from? What is Parma?
Florida.
Oh, that's in Florida?
It's messed up. It just is whatever. Yeah, not too bad.
I'm finna say, I'm in Miami, so I got my shit set to Texas.
It's me they want.
We're in Miami too.
Yeah. We gonna have to work some shit out.
For sure.
Oh, like that.
Yeah. Y'all should drop that Instagram.
Okay, she has Instagram.
Do you want me? Do you wanna love me like that?
Oh shit, y'all like hella close.
What's that supposed to mean?
Oh.
I don't know, but disregard that. I think I can handle both of y'all.
What's that supposed to mean?
Whatever you want it to mean.
Not gonna lie, I think I can handle both of y'all.
Like, oh, okay.
Definitely can.
Maybe her.
Cock blocking motherfucker.
Damn it. No, my mama, I drill your shit.
Oh, really?
What the hell is even that? Get everybody out of my...
That hurt. I ain't gonna lie. Like,
They make me gay, don't it? Yep.
this bitch was retarded.
She bad.
You froze.
She bad.
Yeah.
I texted Mr. Beast and asked him to buy me a dream card. Do you think he's gonna answer?
You're so cringe. You lost aura. 1,000 points.
Would you buy me my dream card?
Yeah, I'm gonna get you like a little cyber truck.
Would you buy me this car for the marketplace?
Depends. If you can throw that motherfucker in the air, damn.
Come on, I was just kidding.
See, that's why you gotta just talk crazy.
Talk crazy.
Talk crazy. You just talk crazy.
What you mean by that?
Like for instance, I slang my dick all over y'all face.
Brother.
It works, you know what I'm saying? Like,
What does it work for?
I don't
Nothing.
know. It just makes the conversation better.
No, it does make it interesting. I'll give it to you.
I knew it. Yeah.
Oh, did you mean that or not?
Where y'all from, bro?
PA.
PA? I'm
Mhm.
from Virginia.
All right. Where you stay in Virginia?
DMV.
What's it? Isn't that all inbreds?
Pipe, so they won't fuck on the pipe. What?
Ain't that like West
Why
Virginia?
the
No
fuck?
It's a serious question.
I'm not a fucking inbred, but I don't know. They probably
Change
do
the
be
damn
doing
batteries in your fucking. Shut up, bitch.
that. You over here catfishing niggas like your shirt off.
Does it actually look like I don't have a shirt on?
Pretty much.
No, I have one on.
I ain't gonna lie, nigga almost got brick out that shit. No,
That was cute.
you should drop your snap right here though.
My snap? I gotta look at it. You don't know it.
Been that and did that could be a corporate. Whether you like him or don't like him, there's nothing you could do about him because he's number one.
Did you record that? Did you? Oh my god, we just got flashed. Some guy just showed us his dick.
My nigga.
No, I'm not kidding. We're not playing. We're
Okay,
not playing.
okay, but first, bag up before I show you mine.
Lock his ass up. Lock his ass up. You going to jail. You're going to jail.
2, where is Victoria? That.
I'm sorry, I'm right here. She took my phone.
Yeah, get your fine ass in this camera. This profile picture look good.
I can show you more pictures later.
Shit, that's just too easy. No. That shit is too easy. It's too easy. No. That shit is too easy. Fuck it. I don't even want to play no more. I'm through. I don't play no more.
She told me to ask you. I did not tell you to say shit. Timmy told you, so shut the fuck up. She wants to see her dick. Timmy!
Whoa, now. You got too much dip on your chip.
Word 2, look, I'll throw you in there and leave you there. Look, this ain't, look, I ain't the one, alright?
You're not the one?
No, I'm here to, look, word. I'm
You're here to work?
Yeah, I'm here to, like, put in the work. Not work, I'm putting in the work, alright? I'm slapping shit across faces, alright?
Oh, shit. Where are you from?
It's working! It's working!
I'm wherever you at. Where I'm at,
Oh, really?
don't matter.
Oh, so you can be here pronto then, that means?
Pronto, like, services immediately.
Oh, damn.
You know what I'm saying?
Should be like 911, but for cute niggas instead.
Yeah, you see it, huh, baby? On this.
What number do I call? Because 911 already used.
Shit. Drop yours and you gonna get it.
But you know what? I'm gonna let you know. I'm gonna let you in on something.
What?
I don't be giving my phone number out, so you kind of lucky. Your name just changed from the ugly guy to the lucky guy.
Indeed.
Yeah, I don't know why you'd be saying that, though. Why are you capping on yourself? See, you are a partial cap star.
You the capper. You ain't dropped that fucking number yet.
Yes, I did. I just dropped it in the chat. 267-372-9528. Playing on me.
Yeah, good. What do I say this as? MK? I need your name. Fuck that.
Save it as my wife, Michaela.
Save yours as delivery guy.
Delivery guy?
Mm-hmm.
What are you delivering?
We had this conversation. I'm dropping balls off.
I know it's a little dark and there might be a stuffed animal right here, but this can be moved. Don't worry, there can be arrangements made for you.
My spot need to be like in your skin.
Don't worry, accommodations to your liking will be made.
Stop tickling me.